everyone, today we're going to be reviewing the Central Machinery 22-inch floor sweeper with release. I've wanted one of these for a while because I'm very, very bad when it comes to nails and screws, especially here in the garage working on the vehicles, and we have had flat tires because of that. So this here should take care of that problem. It works on hard surfaces, it works on low carpet, and I'm sure people are using them out in their lawn too, especially if you've had some work done around your house, decks being built or whatever, just running around, just make sure, because slow leaks stink. What we're going to do is we're going to open the box, pull it out, put it together, and then we're going to take it for a run. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. You have the magnet itself. You have a handle. The handle is extendable from 37 inches to 51 inches. The tires are 7-inch in diameter. So the instructions that come with it assume that the tires are already on, obviously, because they don't say anything about putting them on. This is a lock nut, so you'll need a socket or a ratchet or wrench like this to hold it on. Now I go too tight where it'll hardly spin, and then just back it off a little bit. That's good. All right, now before we put this tire on, I just want to show you how to adjust the ground clearance, because the ground clearance goes from 1 inch to 2 1/8, and that's right here. What you would do is you would just take 3/4 inch wrench. It's got a lock nut behind it, a lock washer behind it. Loosen it and slide it down and then retighten it. So that's your adjustment right there. We're gonna leave it where it is until we see exactly how good it does. Okay, and the second tire, put it on, another washer on it, 3/4 inch nut. Got a turn. I like that.
Very good.
So next we're going to insert the handle into the base right here. So I'm going to undo the wing nut. Pull it out. And there's a carriage bolt. It's got the 4 sides. It will fit right in that hole. Going to, wow, that works pretty darn good. Can you see it up there?
Yep. Nice and snug.
Yeah. All right, now loosen this one. I'm going for height here. Going for height here. You've got 37 to 51 inches that it can go. You just want to find where it's going to be comfortable for you. I think that'd be good, huh?
Sure.
And then this just tightens up against the bar underneath it. If this ever ends up giving us a hard time, I would just drill straight through and I'll put my own bolt in it. So the nice thing about this, does not require gas, does not require an electric battery, does not require to be plugged in. It just requires you to push it. Oops, a couple of stragglers though.
There you go.
That works pretty darn good. Now, keep in mind, if you're trying to find your lost gold or silver coins, this isn't going to help you at all.
Aw, bummer.
If it's not magnetic, naturally it's not going to work. So, but this isn't too bad at all. I'm going to go run around the driveway a little bit and just see if we can find anything too.
Okay, clean up those nails
Oh yes,
first.
yeah, let me show you how this works. I'm not going to put it over the trash because, well, these nails are all good. But just pull it.
There they are.
And it's done. That's basically all it does. The magnet's right along here, and when you pull it, it takes it off the bottom.
Very cool.
All right.
Let's go play. So there used to be a chicken coop down here. We took it apart, turned it into garden beds. So let's see if we left any nails.
Oh, I can already hear them banging. Whoa, did you hear that one?
Yeah. Lay it down so I can see what's on there. Oh, more screws.
Look, a magnetic leaf.
Oh, that's because it was probably
Yeah, the screw was...
buried. Good thing we're doing this. Got to protect our baby foxes.
Yeah, because we do have some. I got one more thing I want to do. and then we're going to give you our review. Okay, so I'm notorious for doing oil changes and then forgetting the tools under there.
So let's see if it'll grab the tools. Nice.
Now, as far as where to get one of these, we get ours from Harbor Freight. We'll have a link in the description box down below to it. If you don't have a Harbor Freight near you, or you're looking for free delivery or whatever, Amazon carries it too for a little bit more expensive, but you know, it will come right to your house. And I believe that we found an affiliate from Walmart that will do it too. We'll make sure that these links are in the description box down below too.
And we'll tag them if they're there.
Yep, and there you go. Other than that though, hon, you got anything?
I got nothing.
I like it.
I think it's cool.
It was a good investment. I'm sorry I waited so long to do it, but I have one now and I'm going to be happy with it. Now, if you're happy with this video, like what you saw, I would appreciate that thumbs up as always. Want to follow along with everything we do here on the We Are Mud Fun channel? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. After you do that, don't forget to ring the bell. You'll be notified every time we put a new video out.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back. We always do. So until our next review video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
Bye.